A number of rule changes are set to take place from the 1st of September. Here are all the things that you must know. Starting from September 1st, the employers will be able to deposit money into the Provident Fund account if the universal account number is linked to the Aadhaar card. The subscribers will only be able to avail the benefits if they have completed this linking process. It is expected that the price of domestic cooking gas LPG will be hiked from September 1st. The price was hiked on August 18th by Rs 25 per cylinder. Going by the trends, it is expected September will see another hike, as did July and August. All SBI account holders are required to link their PAN cards to their Aadhaar cards by September 30th, 2021. If the customers are not able to link their PAN with Aadhaar by the deadline, then the identification card and its relevant facilities will be rendered inactive. This would result in customers not being quoted for specific transactions. The Goods and Service Tax Network informed that Rule 59(6) of Central GST Rules, which provides for restriction in the filing of GSTR1, will come into effect from September 1st, 2021. According to the new rule change, a registered person won't be allowed to file the GSTR1 form if they have not filed the returns in Form GSTR3B for the preceding tax period. This restriction would also be applicable for those taxpayers who are looking to file their quarterly returns but have not filed the GSTR3B form. As per RBI direction, all banks will roll out the Positive Pay system. Many banks have already adopted the mechanism. The rule states that customers who are issuing high-value checks, that is Rs 50,000 and above or Rs 5 lakh and above, need to inform the banks prior to issuing the check. If this is not done, the check will bounce.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.